I think we're gathered here for something which is extremely significant. The value of this initiative is heightened by the presence of so many role models of society. So we see the police, who we really respect and congratulate you for your tremendous role. But I think the single group that has won the hearts of the youngsters all over the country, but also the older people, are you amazing cricketers. So congratulations for what you do every day. For what you do every day, for the sport, for the well-being, for fitness. And today you're being role models to stand up for a new message, which is road safety. As our 25th year, this institution is 25 years old this year. The overall Apollo group is 30 years, but Apollo Hyderabad is 25 years this year. So we're launching our anniversary celebrations with this initiative on road safety, and all responsible citizens of Hyderabad are joining in this program so that we can help make the city and the state safer. Every single one of us know of a dear one or a loved person who've lost their lives or lost a limb in an accident or a trauma. It is our responsibility to increase the awareness levels, ensure that we have all rules of safety being followed, whether it's wearing a seat belt or wearing a helmet. And I think when this message is given to youngsters by all of you, it will be heard, it will be followed, it will be amplified. And in one way or another, you will be playing a role in saving a life. So you may not be a doctor, but as cricketers today you're donning the hat of saving lives. On behalf of Apollo Hospitals and all the major institutions behind this road safety campaign, I want to thank the cricketers for being here. Please share your message today to the youngsters of India about road safety, and please continue to stand for significant messages because of the fact that what you say is listened to by youngsters and public. I also want to thank all members of the media for giving the due attention to this extremely important cause, and congratulate the unsung heroes of medicine, are our nurses, our paramedics, the ambulance drivers, and the outstanding doctors who dedicate their lives 24/7. So please, let them continue on this tremendous message, and also the GHMC for your continuous support towards all significant causes. Congratulations, this is just the beginning of the campaign. Let's make sure that we make our voices heard, that everybody complies with road safety rules, we make our city a safer place, and we save lives. Thank you all so much for being here.